So my name's Terry Hamill. Steve Gaston has asked me to talk on the Masterclass in May. 3 takeaways for you. One is, how do you really increase sales? How do you then build the dream team that you've always wanted? And the other thing is, how do you live on purpose? How do you connect your vision? How do you communicate that beautifully to the people that you're working with? And then how do you then generate that into activity? 3 things I always focus on is RTM, recruit, train, and motivate, or attract, guide, and love, whatever the way you want to call it. I'm looking forward to working with the group there in Mastermind. I've seen the previous speakers. I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be a good experience. Sorry, my brother's bothering me at the back here. And I'll probably bring him into the session as well. I look forward to it, and I hope you will enjoy it at the same time. Thanks very much. Take care. Terry Hamill from Portugal.